Today I want to show you how to debone chicken thighs. It's really easy, probably much easier than you can even imagine. You may be able to buy some chicken thighs already deboned in the grocery store, but it will be cheaper if you can debone them yourself. And the other thing is that, I don't know about you, but in my neck of the woods, it's hard to find boneless chicken thighs the way I want them in my local stores. I like to have the skin left on my chicken thighs, and all the local stores sell boneless chicken thighs with the skin removed. That doesn't work for me, so I need to do it myself. You can do it too. It's really easy. Let's start with the tools that you need. You're going to need some kitchen shears because you may want to snip some things off, and a good knife. This is actually called a boning knife, and it comes in very handy when you're going to do some deboning in your kitchen. First, you want to take a look at your chicken thigh and see if there's any bits that you want to take off. You can either use your boning knife or your kitchen shears if you have them. Usually it's fat and maybe a little bit of excess skin, but remember, we want to keep the skin on. Okay, then you find your bone, which goes pretty much right down the center of the thigh, and take you with your boning knife, make a little cut right at the top, right underneath the bone, and then follow the bone carefully down the side. Always stay just very close to the bone. That's why a good knife is important. You don't want to struggle with it. Of course, you won't be trying to keep the camera in view. All the way to the bottom. And then it's pretty much ready to pop right out. Cut right around the bottom of the bone. If there's any little bits, just cut them off. And you're all set. And there you have it. Your boneless, skin on chicken thigh. Easy as can be. With the bones removed, you can package your chicken thighs for long-term storage in your freezer, or you can get ready to cook a delicious dinner using your boneless chicken thighs. And as far as the bones go, don't throw them out. You can put them in your freezer and they'll come in handy when you're ready to make a soup stock. No need to waste anything. Yumminess from all parts of the chicken. Enjoy!